morning, students. Yesterday we went through the lesson the Gopal and the Hilsa fish. So the story was like that. It was picturized the story and a beautiful story, a magical story. Okay, you can enjoy reading. You can enjoy very well. There was a king. It was a season of a Hilsa fish. All were in the market, in the village, in the king's courtyard palace, all were speaking only about the Hilsa fish. The king got angry. He challenged Gopal, bring the Hilsa fish to the palace without anybody speaking about it. The Gopal accepted the challenge. He completed the challenge after 1 week. And what happens? The Gopal, after 1 week, he dressed up himself differently, went to the market, purchased the Hilsa fish and went to the palace. But the gatekeepers would not allow the Gopal to enter the palace. So the Gopal started to sing and dance. The king heard the noise and he asked to bring this man before him. And this is the way the Gopal took the Hilsa fish into the palace without anybody speaking about the Hilsa fish. Why? Why nobody speak about the Hilsa fish? The reason behind it, the way the Gopal dressed up himself. He shaved his half face, he simmered his face with ash and he put a rug's cloth on him. Okay, this way the Gopal went to the palace through the village. So all were thinking the Gopal has gone mad. He is a comical person, okay, or he is making to enjoy everyone is low. So today we will go through the working with the text. Answer the following questions. The first one is, why did the king want no more talk about the Hilsa fish? Actually, the king was fed up that everyone was talking about the Hilsa fish. So he said that there was much talk about the Hilsa fish that the king was fed up with it. So he wanted no more talk about the Hilsa fish. So he doesn't wanted anyone else to speak about the Hilsa fish. Why did the king ask Gopal to prove that he was clever? Even when the king entered, when everyone was speaking about the Hilsa fish, the Gopal also said to king, even I myself could not stop anyone to talk about it. So the king put a challenge before a Gopal that you have to fulfill the challenge that no one will speak about the Hilsa fish, and that way you have to bring the Hilsa fish to the palace. So the king asked Gopal to buy a huge Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without anyone asking him a word about it. No one should ask you a word about it, and that way you have to bring the Hilsa fish to the palace. Question number 3. What 3 things Gopal do before he went to buy his Hilsa fish? So, after 1 week, the Gopal thought of fulfilling the challenge of king. And what he did? He dressed up 3 ways. What 3 ways is dressed up? That Gopal half shaved his face. One side he shaved his face. His wife also was looking at him and asking me the question again and again, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you going to do the next thing? But he said, just a word, I am going to buy a Hilsa fish. Secondly, he simmered ash and wore rugs. Simmered ash means he sprinkled the ashes on his face so that no one can recognize him that he is a Gopal. And rugs, he wore rugs means he wore a torn clothes on him. Okay, like a beggar, just a comical person. He went to buy a Hilsa fish. So these 3 things done by the Gopal before he was going to buy a Hilsa fish. Question number 4. How did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the Hilsa? So after dressing himself differently, the Gopal went to the palace, Gopal went to the market to buy the Hilsa fish and he entered the king's kingdom. How he entered his palace? So at first the gatekeeper would not let Gopal in. So when Gopal reached the differently dressed up near the palace, the gatekeepers were at the palace and they didn't allow Gopal to enter inside. But what did Gopal do? But Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. What? In order to enter inside the palace, a king can hear my sound and fed up with me, king will allow me to enter inside. This trick was known by Gopal. So he started to sing and dance loudly. The king heard the noise. He asked the man making noise to be brought before him. Thus Gopal got inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the fish. So hearing the loud singing and dancing, the king was fed up. He got a little bit angry and he asked his gatekeepers, his courtiers to bring that man inside the palace. As soon as the Gopal reached in the palace, the king was surprised and he immediately recognized that it's a Gopal. And soon he said, Gopal, then why you are dressed up like that? Then the Gopal said, King, have you forgotten your challenge? Then the king remembered his challenge and he really thanked the Gopal. Oh, this way you have fulfilled your promise which you have made it with me. So this way the Gopal completed the challenge of king. Question number 5. Explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about the Hilsa fish which Gopal had brought. Why no one? We know the reason. Because the way Gopal had dressed up himself, no one was interested in talking about the Hilsa fish. Because the way he was walking, the way he was making his faces and the way he had dressed up, nobody had attention on the Hilsa fish which the Gopal was carrying, though it was very huge fish. Okay, so Gopal seemed more worth talking about than the fish in his hand or anything else. So no one seemed to be interested talking about the Hilsa fish which Gopal had brought it. As I told you, the way he dressed up, the comical faces he was making on the way from market to the palace. So nobody was interested in talking about the Hilsa. Number 6 is a true false. The king lost his temper easily. The right T for true and F for false. The king lost his temper easily. So it is a true. What it is? True. The king lost his temper easily. Because when all were speaking in the palace only about the Hilsa fish, he was so much angry and he wanted to stop the people to talk about. And easily the behavior was the king was, easily he used to be very angry. Number 2, Gopal was a madman. We know that Gopal was not a madman. Actually, he had dressed up himself like a madman in order to complete the challenge. So it is a false. Answer is false. Third, Gopal was a clever man. Yes, he was very clever. When the king gave him a challenge that anybody is speaking about the Hilsa fish, you are supposed to bring the Hilsa fish to a huge Hilsa fish to the palace. So he completed, and according to his cleverness, he used his cleverness and he brought the Hilsa fish to the palace. So Gopal was a clever man. That is a true answer. Gopal was a clever man. That is a true answer. Fourth, Gopal was too poor to afford decent clothes. No, Gopal was not that poor person. But in order to change up his getup, he had what? Rugs on his. So it is a false. So it is false. Number 5, the king got angry when he was shown to be wrong. when he was shown wrong. So he was very angry. No. He was not angry actually. At the end we saw, as soon as the Gopal entered the palace, the king realized, saying the Gopal, it is a Gopal. And he was also feeling to laugh. And he was enjoying the way Gopal had dressed himself. So he was not angry. So this answer also is false. Okay. This answer also is false. So today we have completed working with the tense. Answer the following sentences. So please write down everything in your notebook with good and proper handwriting. Have a good day and thank you to all.